Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. It is yet another unboxing video. This is gonna be a good one today. Actually, we got 4 items, one of them being really special actually. So we'll get to the unboxing right now. And starting off, we have this Microtrains chassis system 3-bay aggregate hopper or rock hopper. Just gonna open this one up in scale. Actually got this for 25 bucks, which is pretty good. I wouldn't have gotten any of these cars if I thought about it quickly and bought it, because there were 4 of those CSX 3-bay corner express hoppers, each one being 20 bucks. That's very cheap. So take a quick look. Actually looks pretty cool. You know, I love the chassis logo. It's really nice. So we're just gonna put this on here and move on. It has very nice wheels actually. So I'm gonna shove this down here into the siding. And you guys may notice that my engine is off the tracks, and just take a quick hint. That's what you think about that. So yeah. Moving on, we have our next car, which is this Atlas Masterline CSX High Cube box car, dark blue. And yeah, we'll just get this unboxed. Honestly, the box car looks really great. Nice and clean, like brand new. So I'm definitely gonna take this one off. It's a high cube, and I don't have any actual high cubes. I just have those 2 TTX low box cars. Yeah, rolls pretty good actually. I really like the Microtrains wheel sets. Those roll really nicely. Better than the other ones. But anyways, yeah, let me just put this back in here. And down there. And the last car, nope, I just kind of gave it away, but yeah, our last thing will be an engine. So our last car is this Atlas Railroading Big Fuels tanker car. I think this is a 2,800 gallon. I'm not sure at all. So we're just gonna get this one out and take a quick look at it. Let's put it there. And then come over here. Wrap. Boom. I'm just trying to make this one quick because this video is gonna be kind of long with everything else. So yeah, detail on top looks really good. I actually really like the Big Fuels logo. It's nice and green. Tanker looks good. I'm glad to have another tanker on board. That's the 3rd tanker. So yeah, we'll just put this one on the rails. And nice roll yet again. Push it down here. And this is the main reason I kind of made this video fast, because I really want to get this thing on the tracks and going. This is the brand new Broadway Limited Imports Paragon 4 GE ES44AH CSX number 1776, the honoring our veterans with DCC and sound locomotive. I have been waiting since October for these things to come out, and I had a friend tell me yesterday that they had these at the Greenberg train show in Hampton, Virginia. He didn't tell me that they were Broadway. He said he thought they weren't Broadway. And boy, was I excited to see this thing when I got there. Look at this. This thing is awesome. The detail is beyond astonishing. I'm gonna put it right here and put this box down below so that we can do a little quick look at it again, and we'll put it on the tracks and get an operating session in. This is the 5th Broadway limited locomotive I've had, and I have no complaints for any of them. Well, I do for the ES44 because that one doesn't work, so we're just going to take this plastic pieces off. Boom. 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 And boom. This engine is beyond astonishing. Words cannot describe how happy I was to pick this up at the show today. We're gonna get this running right now. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll just get this running and call it a day. I do have some bonus clips, so we'll get those going. And yeah, this BTC also looks really neat on top. So yeah, we'll get this running now. Alright everyone, I have this one programmed into the NCE power cap, and let's get this thing started. Woo! So it has the other ES44 sound that another one does. So let's start. Details on and off. These ones look a lot brighter than the ES44AH, so we're just gonna get it running. Nice and smooth. I'll switch it over. Go again. Nice. Alright, so now we're gonna do the bell and horn. Here's the bell. Oh, wait, after. And here's the horn. Oh, nice. I was expecting an RS5T, but alright, those dishes flashed for a pretty long time. So yeah, we're just gonna add this over here. That's a bummer. I thought I was gonna have an RS5T. But yeah. I guess we just. And we'll run a double special paint scheme. One of them is a heritage unit, one of them. And yeah, let's just get this going. So, I'll see you guys when we get that done. right, guys, we have Amtrak P124-05. Garrett, it's P12405. Coming through Lee Hall. That's where we just got that C6C train with, I think it was 863 leading. I got the video on my dad's phone. All right, here are the crossings. P12405, Lee Hall, Virginia, February 5th. Right around 4 p.m. Let's get it. There's Amtrak P12405 through Lee Hall. Heading on Main 2. Not going too fast, obviously, because he probably had to pass the cold train and that bridge. So yeah, that's it for today. Also got the train show unboxing. That was awesome, honestly. I'm hyped. Anyways, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.